What's up? It's Trenius Henderson. Yeah, I just woke up 2:25 Las Vegas time on a Tuesday. This is basically how I wake up every single day. I'm a YouTube vlogger here on YouTube. I've been doing YouTube going on 4 years now, 4 years strong. It's been a really fun journey. It's just like yesterday. I remember once upon a time, my channel had only like 20,000, 15,000 subscribers. And then it's so fast. I like jumped up to like 30, 40,000 more subscribers. And here I am at like 100,000 subscribers now. And it's like, yo, dang, it happens. It can happen so fast. So I'm here to answer the question, is it too late to start YouTube in 2020? I would say no, it is not. I'm a YouTube coach, and see, I'm different from a lot of other YouTube vloggers. A lot of YouTube vloggers out there, they don't teach their subscribers how to do what they do. They just hog all the credit, and get all the juice. Speaking of juice. So I said to myself, I'm not gonna let people that follow me not know how to do what I'm doing, because I want you to be successful too. If you're watching this video, I just wanna let you know, no, it's not saturated in 2020. But if you have to ask me, it's like I've been telling the people that I coach for the YouTube course that I teach, into 2020, I think that's gonna be it. YouTube gonna be saturated just like the music industry. It's gonna be hard to actually start a YouTube channel and make a living on YouTube, because so many people are jumping on it right now while it's really, really hot. And these are gonna be people to get the worm, the early bird gets the worm. So it's when I jumped on YouTube, which was 4 years ago, that was a really hot time too, you know what I'm saying? And look who I am today. I don't gotta get up and go work for nobody. I can get up whenever I feel like it. I write my own check. I get to go wherever I want, stay wherever I want. I make passive income. I got multiple streams of income. I'm doing all this off of YouTube. I'm doing literally living my whole life off of YouTube revenue. And so I'm gonna keep making videos like this. I'm gonna keep making videos talking about YouTube and stuff like that, because it's just too good for you not to get on it right now. Only thing you need nowadays is a cell phone and a laptop. That's all you need to get started with YouTube, talking about something that you really want to talk about. YouTube is gonna be saturated. It is gonna be too late. I say 2021, it's gonna be too late to start a YouTube channel. It's gonna be hard to come up because there's gonna be so many people that's trying to do it. So I remember I first started YouTube, I had to go the hard route. I had to slave, and I had to do research, and I had to struggle to get to where I am right now, because like I said, nobody reached out to help me. I had to literally look up to the creators and the people that I follow without having to know, without knowing how they do what they do. They was not helping me or helping you do this like I'm helping you. You know what I'm saying? But if I could go back and implement what I know now back into YouTube when I first started, I would be further much along on my journey on YouTube than I am now. But see, that's just the whole, when you don't know what you're doing, it takes the time out of it. You see what I'm saying? It just takes more time to get to where you want to be, because you don't know what you need to know. When true, in all actuality, the information is right here, right now. This is all you need to know. So that was my biggest problem coming up on my journey, man, was not knowing how to get myself to a position to where I can make my own money and don't have to go clock in. And I remember I used to think about it all the time. I used to wonder when is gonna be my big break? When am I gonna start making really good money on my channel? When am I gonna really start to blow up on my channel? I used to think about it every single day. It literally haunted me. It haunted me every day to go to work, clock in while I'm still doing YouTube after I got off work. I'm just man, one day I'm not gonna be here. I don't know. So if you got a job or you work or something like that, and you got a talent or a craft trade, you're a big Instagram person, you big on Instagram, and you can do music or whatever you do, man. If you like to talk and be a life coach like I am on YouTube, put that stuff on YouTube. There's no reason. I see so many people that's doing stuff outside of YouTube, and they're not getting anywhere. They're not making any real money because they do not upload it in video form. Nowadays, people want to see video. They don't want to really even see pictures no more. People don't, they don't want to read. People don't want to read no more. And I be telling all the people that I coach, all the bloggers who want to start their own blogs, people don't read no more. You need to have a video to go with this blog that you creating. Otherwise, they're gonna be like, who the hell is this? Why I gotta read your blog when I don't even know you yet? So everybody's getting famous and becoming popular on YouTube before they like have their little second stream of income, like they book or something. Like, I might write a book one day, I don't know. But see, I already got the popularity, I already got the image, I already started my channel, I'm already out. Okay, I got millions upon millions of views. I could start a book. See, that's another stream of income you can have once you get on YouTube and everybody start to see your face on your videos, real visual content. Then people will be more susceptible to buy your products that you got. I don't know, man. I don't know why people don't want to start YouTube, man. They silly, man. They silly. Right now, man, I ain't gonna tell you how much I make, but I make enough money where I don't have to work for nobody. I make enough money to where I don't have to worry about if I'm gonna be able to eat or if I'm gonna be able to have a roof over my head or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I make enough money for that. I make enough money on YouTube to where I could go out and have fun whenever I want to go out and have fun, go out to eat, stuff like that. I always wanted to go out to eat whenever I wanted to go out to eat. Now I can go out to eat whenever I want to go out to eat and drink whatever I want to drink, whenever I want to drink. Oh, I'm not, don't take this wrong. I'm not bragging or nothing. I'm just giving you the greatest reasons as to why you should start your YouTube channel. Okay, 2020, it is not too late. You need to do it right now. Right now. And one of the things that I see a lot of people that starting channels right now, most of them don't even know what they're doing. Okay, they don't know how the algorithm works. They don't know anything about optimization. They don't know anything about demonetization. They don't know about keywords and how to get the algorithm to view your videos, to know who go get to watch your video. Like, a lot of people start channel just like I used to 4 years ago when I didn't even know the information. You see what I'm saying? And they're gonna go through the struggle, and it's not gonna happen the way they think it is because they don't know what I know. And so, like, all the people, man, all the people out there on my channel who I don't help do YouTube, speak up, let your voice be heard, leave a comment below, and let everybody know how my YouTube course is the best course on this platform. I got the best YouTube course ever for the cheapest price you can ever buy, okay? Like, I literally tell you exactly what I didn't know and I learned in the 4 years I've been doing YouTube. And I literally tell you how to get views and how to get subscribers, okay? But see, a lot of people don't know that, okay? Because it's a back door to YouTube. There's a back door market. There's a secret knowledge behind YouTube that a lot of YouTube content creators do not know because they have not went to YouTube University and did all their studying and got their bachelor's degree like I have. I love it. I love to talk about YouTube with a person that wanted to do YouTube. So if you like even thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or if you already got a YouTube channel and you ain't getting views, you still work, okay? You ain't making the money that you want to make right now, and you just wondering how to get your YouTube channel to pop off, stuff like this is your opportunity right here. I already been doing this, okay? I already been doing this. I'm like a senior in high school. I done already been here for 4 years. So I'm gonna tell you what it's like and what to expect, okay? And so if you get my YouTube course, I will help you create your channel. I will help you build your theme to your channel and help you be able to get views and subscribers. The main thing that you should be getting on YouTube is views and subscribers. And what you get is money if you're able to get views and subscribers. YouTube will be glad to cut you that check because you're keeping people on your channel. So once again, man, if you ain't started no YouTube channel yet and you've been thinking about it, you are falling behind time. But if the longer you wait to make a sacrifice to start your channel, the more you're gonna be at your job working. And look, keep in mind, YouTube is like a job too, okay? But at least you can do something that you really truly want to do versus doing something that you don't want to do. See what I'm saying? That's the difference. It's still a job, but you get to love to do what you're doing every day to the point that it don't even feel like work. Today, right now, start your channel, make passive income, start making multiple streams of income, talking about stuff that you love to talk about. I am your life coach and YouTube coach. I'm Trenius Henderson. If you want that little course that I have packed with so much information that most beginning YouTubers have no clue that they should even know. It's gonna be at the very bottom of the comment section. You'll see the link where it says YouTube course, okay? Or look at the description section, it'll say YouTube course there too. You get that course, we can start it today. So it's not too late. Start now. Start now, be a YouTube vlogger. Join us, folks. We living the life, man. Us YouTubers are living the life. Click that face icon and hit the bell notification, so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. Early bird gets the worm. I'll see you in the emails.